In today's video, we are diving into the world of cashback apps, revealing the top 7 services that can help you save big on your everyday purchases, whether it's groceries, gas, or that must-have gadget. These apps make it easy to get some of your money back, transforming your spending into savings. Number 7. Fetch Rewards. Fetch Rewards kicks off our list. This app is perfect for those who want a simple, no-fuss way to earn cash back. All you need to do is to scan your store receipts to earn points. No clipping coupons or searching for deals. Just shop, scan, and earn. Fetch partners with a wide variety of brands, so you're likely to rack up rewards on groceries, household essentials, and even a little indulgence. Points can be redeemed for gift cards at popular retailers like Amazon and Target. It's a straightforward and effortless way to add a little extra to your wallet every time you shop. Number 6. Ibotta. Next up is Ibotta, a treasure trove for deal hunters offering up to 10% cash back. While it's particularly great for groceries, it also shines at major retail chains like Walmart and Target. The Any Item feature allows you to earn cash back on generic products, maximizing your savings without brand loyalty. Ibotta frequently runs special promotions, adding bonuses for purchasing specific items or completing tasks, making it an exciting and rewarding app for savvy shoppers. Number 5. Shopkick. In the 5th spot, Shopkick offers a unique and interactive way to earn rewards through kicks, which can collect by walking into stores, scanning products, or even watching videos. It turns shopping into a fun treasure hunt. You can redeem kicks for gift cards at major retailers like Amazon and Walmart, making it a fun and engaging way to save money while you shop. Number 4. Dosh. For those who love dining out or traveling, Dosh is a fantastic option, offering up to 10% cash back at various restaurants, hotels, and stores. The best part? You don't need to scan receipts or hunt for deals. Just link your credit or debit card and Dosh automatically credits your account with cash back on qualifying purchases. It's effortless, and you can transfer your earnings to your bank account, PayPal, or even donate them to charity. Number 3. Honey. Honey is essential for online shoppers. This browser extension not only offers cashback, but also automatically applies the best coupon codes at checkpoint, ensuring you get the best possible price. The Honey Gold feature allows you to earn points redeemable for gift cards, and its drop list feature tracks prices, alerting you when an item you are interested drops in price. Honey is a must-have tool for anyone who loves finding great deals online. Number 2. Upside. Upside is a lifesaver for drivers, offering up to 25 cents per gallon cashback on gas, along with 3% to 15% cashback at participating restaurants and grocery stores. It's perfect for road trips, daily commutes, or even just running errands. This app is easy to use. Simply claim the offer, pay with a linked card, and watch your savings grow. Upsider's user-friendly interface and wide range of offers makes it a top choice for anyone looking to save on everyday purchases. Number 1. Rakuten. Finally, taking the top spot is Rakuten, formerly known as Ebates. Rakuten offers up to a staggering 40% cashback on purchases, the highest rate among all the apps we have discussed. Whether you are shopping for electronics, clothing, or travel deals, Rakuten has you covered. It's available as both a browser extension and a mobile app, making it incredibly user-friendly. Plus, with sign-up bonuses ranging from $30 to $40 and quarterly payouts via PayPal, check, or gift cards, Rakuten is a powerhouse app that can help you save big on virtually anything you buy. And there you have it, our top 7 cashback apps that can help you save money on your everyday purchases. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more money-saving tips and tricks. We release new videos daily to help you make the most of your money. Let's reach new heights together. Thanks for watching.